There is a hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him, wherein Umar radiallahu anhu, he was reciting certain manuscript of a part of some other religion. And when he came to our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, with these manuscripts of some other religion, our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him, he was upset. So why was our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, upset? Because a person should not use the scriptures of the other religions as a source of guidance. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Surah Al Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 64, قُلْ يَا أَهْلَ الْكِتَابِ, say, O people of the book, تَعَالَوْا إِلَىٰ كَلِمَةٍ سَوَاءٍ بَيْنَنَا وَبَيْنَكُمْ, come to common terms as between us and you. Which is the first term? Allah na'budu illallah, that we worship none but one Almighty God. This verse of the glorious Quran, according to me, it is the master key for doing dawah. It shows us how to talk to different types of people, people of different religions. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in this verse, He's telling us to come to common terms with the people of the book. And how will we talk about the commonalities if we do not quote from their religious scriptures? So that's the reason when an individual is quoting from the scriptures of the other religions, it should be for the purpose of dawah. We should not use the scriptures of the other religions as a source of guidance. The only source of guidance for us Muslims, it is the glorious Quran and the authentic teachings of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace and blessings be upon him.